Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with safety and observation. With the engine warm and car secured, check the RPM gauge to establish the idle baseline. Write it down. Next, inspect intake hoses and vacuum lines for obvious leaks and feel for loose clamps because small leaks raise or wobble RPM. Once done, open the throttle body and visually confirm it isn't gummed. A dirty throttle can spike idle. Make sure tools and a clean rag are ready before proceeding to adjustments. You now perform controlled adjustments. If the engine has a manual idle screw, turn it in small increments to raise or lower RPM, waiting a few seconds between moves. This prevents overshoot. For electronic systems, cycle ignition or follow the OEM relearn procedure after disconnecting the battery. This teaches the ECU the new idle. While adjusting, watch the tachometer, monitor intake sensors, and listen for a steady tone. Irregular sounds signal underlying issues that require diagnosis before further tweaks. You finish by validating stability. With the engine at operating temperature, test idle with accessories on and off to confirm the RPM stays within the target window. Make small final adjustments if needed. If RPM is still erratic, clear stored codes and run a smoke or soap test to find hard-to-see vacuum leaks, because those often cause instability. If problems persist, inspect PCV, EGR, and idle control components, or get a professional diagnostic scan to pinpoint sensor or ECU faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.